Hey guys, how are you all? Long time no see. As you all know that some days ago we have created a poll in our channel for you to know about the things you actually like and also what you actually want to see into this channel. So here today's biggest announcement for you all my beloved viewers. From the next weekend we are going to upload something very interesting for you. You all know that our channel name is Technical Portal that can't be based on only Microsoft Excel things, right? Also these things are quite boring sometimes, isn't it? So here is a gist on what we are going to get into this channel. At first, obviously we are going to learn about the Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheet into this channel. What we are going to learn into this, we are going to learn the functions, formulas, VBA and macros, short codes, short keys and many more things into this video in our upcoming videos. After that, our second topic will be Microsoft Word and Google Docs. What we are going to learn into this software, we are going to learn the basic resume writing and I'll give you some templates of that also. We are going to learn how to make the invoices, connecting them with Microsoft Excel and everything else. We are going to set up the printing page in Microsoft Word and Google Docs also, and we are going to do some automation to make our work easier. Our third topic will be the Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides also. Into this topic we are going to learn about the basics and making animations and something more interesting you will know when we are going to upload these videos. Right? The fourth topic is the Linux that we are going to learn in basic, something about the Linux OS topic, shortkeys used into this tool and some security tools we are going to discuss about into these videos in our upcoming tutorial videos. The fifth and most interesting topic will be the technology news in every weekend. Yeah, you heard it right, that we are going to inform you about the updated technology news, interesting technology facts, some interesting technology secrets and many more fun videos into this video series we are going to upload in every weekend. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel to get more about this and wait for the videos we are going to bring for you. So see you soon into that video and you must keep learning and keep supporting this channel.